Hello, in this video tutorial, we'll be showing you how to make the most of your Digital Lyreco Catalogue and what features you can utilise to help you shop quicker and easier than ever before. When you first load up the Digital Catalogue, you'll be welcomed by a series of buttons. On the left and right, you'll see arrows that you can use to flip through the publication. With that being said, you can also use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard, or simply swipe if you're using a mobile device or tablet. You'll notice that all interactive and clickable elements will be highlighted in blue as you turn the pages. Whether it be a product, video, link or button, all of these elements are clickable for your convenience. A key page to make note of is the Contents page. You can use this to jump to specific categories, making it easy to find products quickly without having to flick through the entire catalogue. Once you have found the product you're looking for, you can simply click and be taken through to Webshop, where you'll find additional product information and have the ability to add the product to your basket or save list for future ordering. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an overview panel of all of the pages within the catalogue and easily jump between them by clicking on the desired page. And finally, at the top of the screen, you'll find the main navigation toolbar. The first icon you'll see no doubt looks very familiar, the printing tool. With this, you can print all of the pages of the catalogue, or select the specific pages relevant to you. This may be particularly useful if you would like to display specific product pages or sections in a communal workspace. Next, we have the Share button, allowing you to share the digital catalogue with colleagues via email, Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn, ideal for remote teams or home workers. The third tool is one of the most popular tools, the Search tool. You can use this to search for a specific product name or code by typing this into the pop-up search box provided. Likewise, you can use this function to search for any text in the document. As an example, let's say you wanted to find out what ballpoint pens we have available. By typing in the keyword or phrases, you'll be shown a list of everywhere in the catalogue featuring your search term, along with the page number. Then, all you have to do is click the result to be taken there. In the Settings tool, you'll be able to customize the zoom settings and page animations to suit your browsing preferences, alongside the Bookmark tool, which allows you to select your favourite and most frequently used pages for future reference. Much like the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen, the Thumbnails tool is another way of viewing the pages as a gallery, making it easy to jump to specific sections or pages. Alongside the full screen icon, you'll see the Clipping tool, which allows you to screenshot or clip custom areas of the catalogue. This can be particularly useful if you need to send specific products or sections outside of the digital catalogue. When you've selected the desired area and press Clip It, this selection will save to your device as a JPEG image, allowing you to share this via email, messages, or just store locally for future reference. Finally, we have the Selection tool. This tool allows you to select an area of the page in which you can search, copy, add a comment, and even highlight with custom colours. We hope this video tutorial has helped you understand the features of our online catalogue, and we look forward to supporting you, your team, and your business needs. We hope you have a great day.